Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove rear tail light and replace all the light bulbs on a 2009 Jeep Compass. This video applies to Jeep Compasses made from 2007 all the way up to 2015. Okay, so this tail light is actually held by two plastic trim screws. One is here and one is here at the bottom. So the way to remove this, you have to pry them out. You have two openings, you'll see one at the top and one right here. So what you want to do, you want to use your flat screwdriver and just pry it underneath all the way around until you are able to pull it out. I'm not sure why they used this kind of screws, but it is what it is. So once you have it out a bit, you can try using your pliers to completely remove it. Even if you break these plastic screws, you can buy them cheap at any hardware store, so it's not a big deal. And yeah, and this is how they look. Okay, and once you have those two screws out, the taillight will actually just slide out. Now there are still two pins here that are inside these holes, but what you want to do, you just want to pull it straight out towards yourself. Do not pull it to the side, just pull it straight out and it's gonna release and you can remove it. And now on the back side of the taillight, you can easily remove and replace any light bulb that you want. Okay, so to pull any light bulb from the taillight, you just want to turn this counterclockwise. Open it up and here's your light bulb. Very easy to do on this car. And in case that you have to replace the tail light, this is how you do it. Remove these light bulbs from the sockets. You just pretty much pull them straight out, so there is no twisting, turning, anything. Just pull them straight out. When installing it back in, you will just push it straight in, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.